Okay, I got helpers today. We got E, and then we got neighbor Bob. He's our neighbor. He comes down to help a lot. But we are in Grandpa's. We're in the big shop because I need to play with some liquid fire today. We got to bend our arms for our sway bar. So what I did, I kind of mocked it up, and then I took a coat hanger, and that is the angle I need right there. So I'm going to heat this up, and then you guys can do the adjusting with the hammer, okay? And you guys can each do one. Let's get the liquid wrench out. Go for it, man. See what you got. We're smelling propane. There you go.
You're right, Beavis. Fire is cool.
Here goes the torch. We're heating her up.
It'll take a while. That's pretty thick. Oh, that's a good paint marker. I can still see it.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. See how it's getting orange?
Yep.
All right, go ahead and give it a little tap. See if it moves at all. You're getting it. Let me heat it up a little bit more. That'll do it. Let me heat it up. You really got to slot it, okay?
Whack it.
Okay, hold on. Let me get my little. Oh, we got a long way to go. But you're doing it. You're doing good. All right, let me try again. Just don't touch that, baby. All right, you're about halfway. Let me try. Oh, so close, man. You got about that far. Go ahead. Think I need more fire?
Yeah.
Heat her up one more time.
More fire! More!
That ought to do it. Almost. Oh, right there. Oh, man. I think you got her. I think that looks close enough.
I think like.
Give her one more just to, yeah. I think that's awesome. All right, round 2, you're up, farm boy.
Okay.
See what you got. All right, start heat her up. If I put 2 lines in it, the line is on the bottom is where I had this one. So hopefully we can bend them the same.
Yeah.
Is your mom gonna get mad at me? Okay. Don't touch that metal, okay? It'll burn your knuckle. Don't like miss and hit your knuckle. That would suck. All right, go for it. Get it up high.
Hi.
Oh, it's moving. You're getting there. Let me get some more heat. You keep her red, it'll bend easier.
Hit as hard as you can.
Yeah, hit it. There you go, one more heat. Now you're moving her. Let's see what she looks like. One more round.
Alright. Yeah, use your hands for us while he's eating it.
Give me a couple more up that. Ooh, that bent really easy. Let me try.
Oh, well, like 2 more hits.
Couple more. Ready?
Give her a big hit.
There you go.
There you go. That's it. Yeah, that's perfect.
That's good.
That's great. How do you feel about yourself?
What do you think?
Looks like
I
what I
gotta
write
go
in
a
school
little.
all day.
One of them.
Yeah. Pretty sure mine's less bent than his.
Okay, so we might have to take one more thump on that
Okay.
guy. Okay.
Alright.
It's close. I mean, they're going to be on opposite ends of the vehicle, but you didn't need it too much. Can you eyeball it? What's it look like?
No. I need to bend it more.
More?
Much more, actually.
Here, let me heat it up. Back it down.
I completely missed there.
Oh,
That's perfect.
Oh, I think those are good.
That's
You think so?
absolutely perfect.
Those are good, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, looks good from my house. All right, let those cool down.
Dad, are you hungry? We haven't had lunch yet.
I'm hungry. Got it?
Here we go.
I want mine well done.
Here's some lunch. Yes.
Ooh, sizzle.
Just cutting open.
It tastes like acetylene.
Yes. It's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
Try it.
Yeah, you're good.
You would take the dogs.
Wait, don't take the whole thing.
You can take the whole thing.